Let's talk about how to cut bracing. My arch nemesis, angled cuts. For some reason, I struggle with these, but I have come up with a life hack that is making this way easier. So as you can tell, I've got these lengths of 2x4s, and I have to cut an angle there to fit flush and an angle there to fit flush, and then rinse and repeat for my X bracing. So here's what I do. I tack my board on, and I do this using one screw here, and then I adjust the angle to wherever I need that board to lie on the bottom, and then I put my second screw in. And it's okay that the screw isn't all the way in because it's going to come right back out. But at that point, I take my handy-dandy carpenter's pencil, and I just come along here and I draw a nice thick line there, and a nice thick line there, and then I take my board down and cut. And now we do a freehand cut here, which just requires confidence. And I've already done the other side, and then we'll set it up. My back wall is braced, and I tested it. It does not move this direction, which is what that bracing accomplishes. So now it's time to come around the corner and start working this way. So in this case, I've got a board that's going to go from right there down to there. It's not going to be a perfect level line across there, but that's okay. I don't really need it to be. And I wanted to point out that I just am using a scrap piece of wood to hold up that bottom while I put a screw in the top, and then I'm coming back and tacking in the bottom and then securing it with one more screw on each end of this board. Now for this second board, I can take and secure it in the middle there. If I do this first, it will secure it, and I won't have to rely on my prop board, which can slip out occasionally. All right, 3 sides of the woodshed are now braced, and we are ready to move on to the roof.